I've been toppling dominoes since I was 16, which would be 44 years. It was really just kind of a hobby. It was just something that I liked to do.
We had a wonderful visitor, Mr. Wickham. By luck, our instructional coach is a neighbor of his. And when she found out that we're studying Rube Goldberg and his crazy contraptions, she mentioned that she would like to invite him to come and do a little presentation for my students.
I understand that y'all have been learning about Rube Goldberg. So you know who he is, and he created these imaginative, crazy machines, right?
My students were learning about simple machines and about chain reactions. So today, seeing it come to life and seeing and learning how it takes a lot more than just 1 day of setting up to make this wonderful contraption, I think was an excellent opportunity for my students.
3, 2, 1.
Topple. All right. Hey, it worked. Good job. Good job, Sarah.
It was just cool to watch the dominoes fall.
And you generally want to start at the top of the staircase and work your way down, because it's easier to set up. I hope their biggest takeaway is to just continue to be curious about science, and that it can be fun.